Alright, we finally got the tires in. Took forever, but they're looking good. So let's get them put on the bike. Let's get this thing wrapped up. Alright, let's see if we can get this tire on. This side of the way. The first thing I gotta get is this brake caliper on. I gotta get the disc inside. Still in, okay, still in. That's in. Lift it up. Now we just gotta get it started. Come on, girl. There we go. Let's see if we can get it started. I feel like it might be on there right now. Yep, I think I'm on. Alright. Alright, we're on. Now I just gotta tighten it all up. So we'll tighten this axle down, then we'll tighten this brake down. We'll have the front tire on. Okay. Front tire on. Now let's do the back tire. Alright, let's put this back tire on now. Okay. Stick brake in there. Okay. Okay. First thing is to slide this gear on. Come on, kid. Okay. There's one part. This slides this way. I'll put this in here just to hold it in place right now. We got to take our spacer. Come on. Go into your home. Okay. Grab this. we can get this started. There we go, it's getting in there a little bit. Just keep working it. Alright, I think it's in. Let's see if we can get it all the way through now. A bit more. Hold this and screw this nut on now. I should pull it all the way through. There it goes. And we'll just make this tight. And once it gets to a certain point, I'm going to tighten this down. This nut back here. Let me get it flush. Go right there. Now I'm going to tighten this down. And when I tighten this all the way, it's not going to let this slide anymore. Okay, nice and tight. Now I'll do this one. We'll just finish off this just like that. Okay, now we'll put this brake lever on. Tighten this down. Okay. Now the back wheel's on. Tighten this down. Brake. Okay, brake. Now, back tires on. Let's put the body on, lower it, put the stickers on. Okay. Okay, we need to put this sticker on it. And it needs to be lined up nice and straight. Alright, there's one side. Now I'll do the other side. Okay, we got the bike wheels on, got the body, the paint. Next step, we're gonna put some fluids in it. We're gonna put, what else we gotta do? Some oil, coolant, gas, and a battery. And then we're about to start it and ride it. So stay tuned. Next video should be running.